Now we have the Bustier neckline. Bustier, and here we are having 150 shoulder percent tightening, and this is different from all other necklines because we are going to be having on the bust tightening. Without on the bust tightening, there is no Bustier. We will have our shoulder tightening and our on the bust tightening. So 150% of 150% of 7 is 10.5. So you are adding 10.5 to the normal stuff that we have. This is taking a larger part. This side is taking a larger part of it, so we have, let's say, 8 here. The tip here, yours could exceed that, so don't worry. We are closing the shoulder darts all the same there. So, and we are redrawing the darts. Yes, it's as big as that. You would see the effect when you make your clothes. So we should slash to the point here. Then we'll close our shoulder darts. And our shoulder dart is usually panel dart, so we should connect now that we are having different topics in one clothes. We could see the panel dart, we could see the on the bust tightening, we could see you can retrace your underbust here so that you will have a perfect curve into the armhole. So don't forget this side too. You used it, then this side you're going to use. So how are you going to go about that? How deep would you want your neck to be? You measure your neck depth, and your neck I would go with 6.5 inches. Then you would draw a curve into the armhole here. You can use this, or you use your hand to draw it back into the curve here. It could go that way depending on how you want the stuff to come out. It could be another form like this. With this you will have all your bust covered. The only thing you'll be noticing is the depth here. So this is a bust here. You had your allowance, your sewing allowance. Okay, I think I like this shape better. Okay. Please don't forget that I am cutting it on fold, so that's into the armhole that way. That's how you're going to cut it. Then you will have a bustier. We'll make a drawing. And you would see how it comes. comes to play. Okay, so this is it. This is our bustier, neck. Then this side too, you're just going to, it's normally advisable that from your normal line here, you will just come down, come down. You give your allowance. Please use your ruler. It could be curvy that way. You can use your ruler to make that kind of curve. But from the armhole, you entered through the armhole here. So from this armhole, so this is what you are going to do. I've added the allowance like that way. So this one is going off. Then your zip allowance. Please don't forget your zip allowance. Then there we go. We have our back, and you can see you're going to adjust this line. Then you're going to adjust this line too when we're about to bring it back together. So this is our bustier with a panel dart and on the bust tightening. Then if we want to make a spaghetti out of it, a spaghetti is just an additional rope. What you cut away from this place, you will measure it together with what you cut away from the back to make a straight line. It's as simple as that. You can now deduct like 2 centimeters so that you'll be able to have a firm strap. It's just a strap back to this bustier. There's no big deal about the spaghetti. Spaghetti is just an extra strap on the bustier. So the process you went through here is the same process you're going to go through for a spaghetti and a cloth that has a strap.